The square root of 256 is 16, so we're going to get 12 plus or minus 16 divided by 2, which is really going to be 12 plus 16 divided by 2, or 12 minus 16 divided by 2. So that gives us 28 divided by 2, which is 14, or negative 4 divided by 2, which is negative 2. For problem 2, everything's already on one side. So our A is in front of x squared, 1, B is in front of x, 22, and C is the number by itself, 121. We are going to plug into our formula. So negative 22 plus or minus square root 22 squared minus 4AC all over 2A. You get 22 plus or minus square root of 0 all over 2. Square root of 0 is just 0, so we're going to get negative 22 divided by 2, which is negative 11. So this one has one real solution. For 3, we're going to have 2x squared plus 4x minus 5 equals 0. Again, everything's already on one side, so we know our A is 2, our B is 4, and our C is negative 5. We'll plug it in, so negative 4 plus or minus square root 4 squared minus 4AC all over 2A. We'll have negative 4 plus or minus square root, see that's 20, 40, 56 divided by 4. And for 56, that's going to be, that can get broken up into the square root of 4 and square root of 14. So we'll have negative 4 plus or minus 2 square roots of 14 divided by 4. And then we can divide each of those up. We'll have negative 4 divided by 4 plus or minus 2 square roots of 14 divided by 4. We'll have negative 1 plus or minus square root of 14 divided by 2. That's two real irrational solutions. For problem 4, everything's on one side, so we can find our A, B, and C. A is in front of x squared, 2. B is in front of x, 16. And C is by itself, 33. We're going to put it back into our formula. So negative 16 plus or minus square root 16 squared minus 4 times 2 times 33 all over 2 times 2. We're going to get negative 16 plus or minus square root negative 8 all over 4. Square root of negative 8 is going to be square root of negative 1, square root of 4, square root of 2. Negative 16 plus or minus 2i square roots of 2 divided by 4. And then we can split each of those up. Negative 16 divided by 4 plus or minus 2i square roots of 2 divided by 4. And that's going to become negative 4 plus or minus I square roots of 2 all over 2. For 5, we have got x squared plus 16 equals 0. Everything's on one side, so that's awesome. Our A is in front of x squared, 1. Our B is going to be 0 because we don't have an x term. And our C is 16. We'll have negative 0 plus or minus square root 0 squared minus 4AC all over 2A.